in the mid-60s. South winds around 10 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, southern Denton County in north-central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Reno, or near Azle, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. And listen for later statements and possible. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Erath County in north-central Texas, Central Hood County in north-central Texas, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bluffdale, or 9 miles northeast of Stephenville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bluffdale around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Squaw Creek Reservoir around 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Granbury around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pecan Plantation around 10:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mambrino, Tolar, Acton, Decadova, Biloxi, and Lake Granbury. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, southeastern Cook County in north-central Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Decatur, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near from around 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sanger around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ray Roberts Park Isle Dubois and Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch around 10:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Stony, Lake Ray Roberts, Greenwood, Bolivar, Ura, Slidell, Roadrunner, Valley View, Woodbine, and Lois. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 473 and 495. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Acton, Decadova, Biloxi, and Lake Granbury. For your protection, get inside a... The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hamilton County in central Texas, southwestern Bosque County in central Texas, northeastern Mills County in central Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Hyco to 14 miles northeast of Gold Plate, moving east at 35 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hamilton around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Meridian State Park around 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cranford's Gap around 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Shive, Jonesboro, Pottsville, Olin, Gentry's Mill, Whiteway, Aylman, Pecan Wells, Norse, and Ferry. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Siding and trees. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north central Texas, east central Erath County in north central Texas, southwestern Johnson County in north central Texas, northwestern Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Glen Rose to near I.R. Edel, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cleburne State Park around 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cleburne, Meridian, and Lake Pat Cleburne around 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Whitney around 11:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Walnut Springs, Morgan, Eulogy, Rio Vista, Rainbow, Copperell, Retreat, Brazos Point, Chalk Mountain, and Lakeside Village. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area.
Oh, hey, what's up?
The National Weather...
Hang on, there's a message right now.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the colony, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, public. At 11:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, half-dollar sized hail was reported Louisville. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Plano and Frisco around 11:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. McKinney and Allen around 11:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fairview around 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Parker and Lucas around 11:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Princeton and Lowry Crossing around 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Farmersville around midnight Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Altoga, Frognet, Branch, St. Paul, Blue Ridge, Levon Lake, New Hope, Copeville, Josephine, and Nevada. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth.
Let's be honest here, like now.
in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in north central Texas, northeastern Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north central Texas until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cross Timber to near Lake Pat Cleburne to near Meridian, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Whitney, Burleson, Alvarado, Keene, Mansfield, and Bloom around 11:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Venus around 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Grandview, Grand Prairie, and Covington around 11:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cedar Hill and Midlothian around 11:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Obille around 11:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Itasca and Glen Heights around 11:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Maypero, Red Oak, Oak Leaf, and Wasatch around midnight Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Rio Vista, Copperhill, Parker, Cedar Shores, Mayfield, Griffith, Sen Flat, Egan, Morgan, and Lillian. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 6 and 37. Interstate 35E between mile markers 410 and 411. For your this if you